Hola, this is Lady. In this video, I will show you how to plan your holidays and closing days for your daycare. How to plan your holidays. Something that I do is every December, I get a new calendar for the next following year. So what I did is I chose 10 holidays, and normally are the same holidays that I always use every year. In my case, I close 10 holidays every year, but I also have 3 other closing days that I choose because we have our graduation day. So on that day, normally is on Friday. So my family, they already know exactly which date is gonna be. I try to communicate 1 year in advance or at the beginning of when we sign the contract, and I let the family know these are the main holidays I'm gonna be closed. This is an example of my holidays and closing days I always attach to my contract. And here you can see that I have choose in total 13 days. This includes my 10 holidays. This also includes the 2 days I'm gonna be closed for training, and also that day that I will have the graduation party for my preschoolers. It's so important that you have all this one in one page. I always notify my family just in case that I'm gonna be absent in the middle of December or the beginning of January, and also I let them know that I will be taking a vacation. When the time gets close, for example in November, I will let them know exactly which days I'm gonna be taking my vacation. It's so important that also you state in your contract that there is no tuition, refunds, allowance, makeup days will be granted for any absence when you are taking your vacation, like in this case, the holidays. You also, the parent cannot substitute any days. So this is just one example, or how is my closing days. Here I'm making the letters a little bit bigger so you guys can see which days I have chose for now. So I'm gonna be close. The next one is gonna be Memorial Day, and after that is coming up. It's gonna be Friday, June 14. I chose this one for my graduation. If you only need 10 days, in my case, because I run a preschool program, I always need the trainings, and sometimes during the holidays for me it's easier to take my trainings. And also I'm always close Thanksgiving Day and after Thanksgiving. I also chose Christmas and the next after Christmas Eve. I also chose Christmas Eve and then the Christmas Day. So this is your business, and you can choose any day that you please. Just let the family know the days that you're gonna be close, so they can plan ahead, and they can have a backup care in case you are not able to work on that day. Just a review. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to let me know which video would you like to see next. Hasta pronto!